Hi, I'm Komal, Global Program Lead of Google Developer Groups. The mission of Google Developer Groups is to help developers, the backbone of technology, succeed and reach their goals. However, Google Developer Groups, or GDGs, are nothing without their leaders, which is why I'm thrilled to welcome you to our community of organizers. Let's talk about GDGs, how you benefit as an organizer, what's expected from you as an organizer, and what's next. Google Developer Groups are the largest community network of developers in the world. They're local hubs of professional developers who share expertise in and passion for Google's developer technology. They host a variety of activities for professional developers in person and virtually, including but not limited to demos, hackathons, networking events, technical talks, trainings, and hands-on workshops. Their events cover a wide range of Google's developer technology, such as Android, Firebase, Flutter, Google Assistant, Google Chrome, Google Cloud, and TensorFlow. The speakers for events come from Google, Women Tech Makers, Google's global program that helps women in tech, Google Developer Experts, Google's global network of experts who regularly speak about its developer technology, and other companies. There are many benefits of being a Google Developer Groups organizer. First, you gain access to the largest professional developer community and network. New skills from creating, fostering, and leading a community of developers, community management training, and invitations to events hosted by Google, and technical content and training materials curated by product teams at Google, which give you a really deeper understanding of our products and platforms. Second, you're empowered to help other developers learn and grow as you build your own local developer community. Third, you join an international community of like-minded leaders, developers, industry experts, and Googlers. In short, you're expected to build an inclusive community where professional developers from the local area meet, connect, learn, and grow. However, what's expected from you at the onset depends on whether you organized a new chapter or joined one that was already existing. If you organized a new Google Developer Groups chapter, here's what you need to do. First, get a grasp of your local developer ecosystem. Ask yourself, what other communities in your area support technologists? What does the enterprise or startup ecosystem look like? Are there a lot of universities? What type of opportunities are around for developers? Second, figure out who your developers are. Ask yourself, who makes up your community? Who are the developers in your city and what are they interested in? Third, use the 7 Ps of community and build a vision and plan for your chapter and choose the best activities for it. You'll learn more about the 7 Ps in a video later in this pathway. Finally, check out the Google Developer Groups event platform, which lets you manage events and other aspects of your chapter. You also learn how to use the platform in Code Labs later in this pathway. If you joined an existing Google Developer Groups chapter, here is what you need to do. First, meet with the current organizers to understand the chapter's vision and purpose, the experience of developers in the community, and what has and has not worked. Second, collect feedback from chapter members to understand their experience, the role the developer community plays for them, and how you and other organizers can improve their experience. Finally, check out the Google Developer Groups event platform, which lets you manage events and other aspects of your chapter. Again, you'll learn how to use the platform in Code Labs later in this pathway. After you know the developer community in your city, you can start organizing events for them. There are 2 things that you need to consider when it comes to events: frequency and type. How often should you host an event? Your chapter should offer enough events so that members and potential members have predictable and ample opportunities to participate in your community. What type of events should you host? Your chapter may alternate between community meetups and event series. For meetups, ask yourself, what Google developer technology is your chapter eager to learn more about? What's the latest and greatest from Google that your chapter may benefit from knowing about? You may also host a meetup that's part of a larger global Google Developers event series. Event series are global events that cover a specific technology or theme and take place during the same time frame for all Google Developer Groups. They're curated specifically for you as an organizer by Google developers and come with all the content that you need, including technical content bundles, speaker slides, branded marketing materials, and templates. Check out the Content Hub in the Google Developers Community Leads platform for organizer guides for each event series. Now that you're an organizer, you need to register and complete your profile. To learn how, try the code lab next in the pathway. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching.